Yo, what's up, guys? James R. Davis Sr. coming to you live about W-4 adjustment, where to go directly to get the training so you can start applying your W-4 immediately, guys. One of the things about the 369 transformation, the 3 is 3 days. We want you getting this form filled out within 3 days. Okay, you should do it the day that you join and submit it to your HR person. So we're going to start here first and foremost. There are two videos and one audio. Okay, you need to listen to the audio first, then watch the two videos second. So how to shift your income.com. Of course, many of you already know that this site is for prospects and it's for people to get started and get trained right away. So I'm going to scroll to the very bottom of this, okay? And as you can see here, you don't have to wait on anybody to give you your form. You can flat out print out your form, okay? And as you can see here, this is where the first audio training that you need to listen to from Brian Bean. So you can get the proper mindset and understanding that this is a legal, legitimate way for you to start seeing some immediate cash flow. So it's 36 minutes long, but you definitely need to listen to it. If possible, go ahead and have the W-4 form sitting there next to you while you're listening to it, because guess what? He's walking you through it line by line. Okay? Awesome, amazing training. Okay? Also, when you click on extra digit training, this is going to come up. Log in. The exact same video or audio is underneath this tab. So once you get started, make sure you get this set up and you go through these trainings. All right. So let's click on it here. And again, this is where it is. Once again, this is the audio version. Okay. Same one that is here. Okay. That's the first audio that you need to listen to. Okay. Now, in your My Econ back office, under your Business Management Center, you want to click on Quick Start Orientation. Quick Start Orientation. Okay. This is the visual video that you want to look at. Okay. This is the visual one you want to look at. Okay. And basically just follow it. Just follow it, folks. Okay. Watch this. Follow. All right. You with me? So here's where the second video is. You're going to go to my BMC home. Okay. And you're going to go to the smart money system or smart credit system. Okay. It's two different versions. One, this one, I just showed you. June Collier is standing up. And he's kind of walking you through some things before he talks. He's standing up talking, and then he walks you through this. Okay. So you come here to the 750 credit plan, and then you click on income shifting module, right? And then you come here to how to correctly fill out your W-4. This one right here is slightly different from the one under the Quick Start training. Okay. So be sure you watch those two videos before you fill out the form. Okay. Please. You don't want to make an error. You don't want to get it wrong. If you want to get it right, please follow these steps. Okay. Here. All right. Once again, tax withholding right here. All right. Y'all with me? And so that's it. That's it. Okay. You can literally, print this off again from here. You can go to the IRS government website, print it off, or you can go to your HR person directly, get it from them, fill it out. You're going to keep the worksheets, submit the bottom form, and that's literally it. So just wanted to hop on real quick and show you guys exactly where you find the training so you can apply the training and submit your form so you can go ahead and see your immediate raise on your job. James R. Davis Sr., one of the top EVPs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Talk to you guys soon. Peace out.